Crafting has many benefits, like fabric craft, many positive benefits. It can help improve creativity, concentration, patience, and fine motor skills. Working with materials such as paper, thread, wood, and beads also gives our minds a chance to slow down and focus on one activity at a time. Crafting can be relaxing, an enjoyable hobby, and completing a handmade project can give a wonderful sense of achievement and confidence. It can also be a great way to spend quality time with family and create meaningful handmade gifts. I want some I want to share something beautiful story about it. Xmax tree made from old fabric. It was a cold December morning and Christmas was just around the corner. The little town was glowing with beautiful lights. Shop windows were decorated with stars, bells, ribbons, and colorful Xmas trees. But, but inside a small, warm house at the end of the street, a girl named Emma was sitting beside a large box filled with old fabric. There were pieces of an old red dress, a faded greeny scarf, small pieces of white cloth, and even some leftover golden fabric. Emma looked at the box and thought, what can I make with all of this? Her mother smiled and said, sometimes things that old can become something beautiful again. Emma loved that idea. Instead of throwing the fabric away, she decided to recycle and create a special Xmas decoration. She cleared her little craft table and began sorting the fabric. The red pieces went into one pile, the green pieces into another. The white and golden pieces were placed carefully on the side. As Emma sorted everything, she realized how many beautiful pieces of fabric were being forgotten. She picked up an old green scarf. This can become the Xmas tree, she said. First, Emma cut several pieces of fabric into different sizes. She made a large piece for the bottom of the tree, smaller pieces for the middle, and tiny pieces for the top. She carefully arranged them from largest to smallest. Slowly the shape of the Christmas tree began to appear. Then she took a piece of brown fabric and made a little tree trunk. For the star, she used a small piece of golden cloth that was left over from an old decoration. Emma carefully cut it into a star shape that became her favorite part, decoration. She found the tiny red fabric circle and used them as Xmas ornaments. She added the little white pieces to look like snow. Then she used thin strips of golden fabric as sparkling ribbons. Every time piece had a purpose. Nothing needed to be wasted. Emma stepped back and looked at her creation. The tree was not perfect. Some pieces were slightly different. Some edges were uneven. But Emma loved it. It looked warm, colorful, and handmade. Her mother came over and smiled. You gave old fabric a new life. Emma smiled. That means we did not have to throw it away. Her mother nodded. Exactly. Recycling not only about saving materials, it is also about using our imagination. Emma suddenly had another idea. What if we make Xmas decoration for the whole house? Her mother laughed. Let's do it. Together they opened the fabric box again. They made little fabric stars, they made Christmas hearts, they created tiny trees, snowflakes, and colorful ornaments, and added sometimes more string art, old denim. They use old denim. Whatever you have already had at home. For every decoration, they used something that might otherwise have been forgotten. An old scarf became an Xmas tree, and an old shirt became little stars. Small fabric scraps became ornaments, a piece of white cloth became a beautiful snowflakes. Soon the entire room was filled with handmade Xmas decoration, and you can also start your business with this. Emma felt happy. She realized that crafting was not only about making beautiful things, it was about looking at ordinary materials in a different way. The next day, Emma decided to make something special for grandmother. Her grandmother loved Xmas, but she especially loved handmade gifts. Emma chose a beautiful piece of red fabric and carefully made a small Christmas hat. She decorated it with green and golden fabric and placed into old wooden pieces. She added a tiny ribbon at the top so it could hang on a Xmas tree. When Xmas evening arrived, Emma wrapped the little fabric hat in simple recycled paper. That evening, the family gathered together. The Christmas lights were glowing, the room smelled like warm cookies and cinnamon. Soft music played in the background. Emma gave her grandmother the gift. Her grandmother slowly opened the package. When she saw the little fabric heart, her face lit up with a beautiful smile. "Oh, Emma," she said, "you made this yourself." Emma nodded. "I used old fabric so it would not be wasted." Her grandmother held a little heart carefully. "This is more special than anything you could buy in a store," Emma smiled. "Why?" Her grandmother replied, "Because you give it your time, your creativity, and your love." Emma looked at the little heart in her grandmother's hand. For the first time, she understood something is important. A piece of old fabric might look useless, but with imagination, patience, and creativity, it can become something meaningful. Later that night, Emma placed her recycled fabric Christmas tree beside the window. The glowing star reflected the Christmas tree. A little red ornament seemed to glow outside. Tiny snowflakes were falling. Emma sat quietly and looked at the tree. She thought about all fabric pieces she had saved. Every piece had one been part of something else. Every piece had once been part of something else, and now together they had become a beautiful Xmas decoration. Emma smiled. She realized that Christmas was not only about buying new things, it could also be appreciating what we already